Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Chainlink and its valuations against Bitcoin. It doesn't get any better than this. If you like the video, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, here we are 15%, 15.33, 15.41% against Bitcoin. Gains for the day. My, does it look great? Yesterday, just yesterday, we were talking about the chance of hitting maybe some resistance here, uh, being that it is a local top on Chainlink, Link versus BTC. But um, Chainlink is continuing to surprise and just cutting right through that. When we look at the weekly, we see the importance of the 20-week moving average. Once we're above the 20-week moving average, we would have expected some kind of move to the upside, as every single time it has. This move, 134%. This move, 117%. This move, almost 200%, and you could see these ones here, but the kicker was this one here, which was 263% above the 20-week moving average, or a rally from the 20-week moving average to the peak, local peak. And where we are right now, we're looking at a 46% move. Pretty good. When we look at the moves, of all of these, and we kind of take into account, rough percentage points uh, that it rallies when it leaves the 20-week moving average, its lowest seems to be around 76%, highest was 260. So 46%, we can assume that it has a little bit more to go, but we shall see. We'll definitely see. I am not by any means selling at this point. However, we are getting near some sell targets when we look at the US dollar chart for myself. But that's not important. What's important is keeping an eye on this trajectory here. If we continue to shoot further up to higher highs, once we get to like the 100%, if we ever get to 100% over the 20-week, the time when we left the 20-week moving average to that peak, then it's time to think, okay, maybe take a look at your portfolio and start looking about how you can consolidate some of those gains on Chainlink. Um, I again by n- n- I'm not by any means telling you to sell your entire position, but it's always important to when you are up considerably, especially against Bitcoin, to know where your portfolio lies in terms of percent gains and kind of trying to maybe consolidate and protect that wealth that you found for yourself. At this moment, though, it really looks like Chainlink is going to pop off, or you arguably already popping off, and the weekly candles look great against the US dollar. We have left the 20-week moving average on the 28th of December, 2020, and we haven't touched it ever since, despite all the movements of Chainlink versus Bitcoin. Um, but this is currently what we're at now. Um, right now, Bitcoin is down 5%. Earlier today, we kind of saw a brief downtrend. Uniswap went down to 0% gains on the day. Ethereum went down like 2% against Bitcoin, but then we've rallied back up. Um, and it's looking pretty good. So it shows the strength in altcoin markets right now, strengths in the major altcoins. So that would include Ethereum, Chainlink, Uniswap, Litecoin, if you want to throw that in there. Um, as well as Dogecoin. Out of everything, it's considered a major now because it's top four, but it remains to be seen if it's going to stay there. But considering that it is at a $69 billion market cap, we would have to keep in mind of that coin. In any case, Chainlink is looking really good. Um, Patience has finally started to pay off. From the bottom, from the bottom to where we are now, we have increased about 100% against Bitcoin. So looking pretty good. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.